Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. If you were new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings, also some product reviews. So if you enjoy subscription boxes and that type of content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. As you can see, today we have our January 2021 single swag box. Now I was sent this for review, so thank you very much to Single Swag. So I want to tell you just a little bit about Single Swag before we get into it. It is actually out on Cratejoy, the #1 best-selling self-care subscription box. It's awesome, and I say this in every video, but you don't have to be single. I'm very happily married and I love this box. I used to actually pay for this box. Plans do start as low as $37.50 a month. So that's a really good price to treat yourself, and it's slammed full of products every month. You get 7 to 8 full-size items. But they say we love to make women look and feel beautiful while empowering and inspiring them. And now I do have a promo code I will put down below along with a link that will save you 30% on your first box. So let's go ahead. We're going to dive into this. This is the full-size subscription. They do apparently now have a petite where you will receive 4 to 5 full-sized items. So that's really neat. So pretty box, pretty pink box. But yeah, they always fill it slam full. There's always a treat. There's always a piece of jewelry. It's just an amazing box. All right, so let's open it up. So there is always a card that comes with it. It does go over each of the items along with pricing, and it adds everything up for us. And the value of the January 2021 box is $211. So let's get in here and see what we got. Oh, so we're going to start with the first item, which is actually our treat. And this is from Scrumptious Cookies, and it's cookies and cream. It says, indulge in these delicious melt-in-your-mouth cookies coated in white cream with vanilla filling. We dare you to only treat yourself to one at a time. And this is valued at $4. All right. Let me move this out of the way. Okay. And then we have got from Cambridge Prosper. This is a multi-wear bandeau. This is $18. So this, okay, this is going to be like a face mask. You can wear it many different ways. I mean, you can wear it as a face mask if you want, which I think is, oh, well, look right here. I would pay attention. It shows you all the different ways. So as a face mask, you know, a headband, all different kinds of ways you can use this. And it's very soft and light. And I do really like the tie-dyed, I think it's tie-dyed, the look, the design. I think it's very pretty. So there's that. And then what is this? Soap Gem Watermelon and Acai Berry. Oh. This is from Sunday Rain. Crystal clear gem soap valued at $10. Elevate your bath experience with this gem-shaped, vitamin-infused soap designed to leave skin refreshed with a healthy glow. Sulfate-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. I can smell a little bit and it smells really good. It smells like a drink, like a tropical drink. All right. And then we have got, this is perfect to head into 2020, a Good Vibes reusable coffee cup or travel mug, $22. Maintain good vibes and enjoy your favorite beverage on the go with this unique reusable mug produced with natural plant-based fibers, featuring a silicone grip sleeve, dishwasher safe, and heat resistant up to 200 degrees. So I love that it has the grip holder and that it is made from recycled items. I think that's really awesome. That adds value to me. So let's see here. We have also got some mascara from Empower Her Beauty. And this is, oh wait, no, I'm sorry. This is a lash serum for $22. Okay. There's a lot of stuff in this box. And then here we have from Amasis Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. This is $28. Tea tree, so good for your skin, anti-inflammatory. Aloe is great for your skin. So here is the item out of the box. And again, you can see it's full size. All of their items are. Okay. And then it looks like we have a hand lotion. Oh, this is from Manna Kadar, moisturizing hand cream. Let's see if I can tell you how much this is. $20. Formulated with lotus flower oil. I bet that smells amazing. Oh, okay. I have wanted some of these. Oh, this is awesome. From Pivotal Cosmetics Facial Cooling Globes. These are $35. So I'm going to read the description for this and then we'll look at it. So this says, soothe and massage the contours of your face and neck with this set of 2 ultra cooling facial globes that will take your skincare routine to the next level. Benefits include enhanced skin elasticity, reduced puffiness and dark circles, improved circulation, and prevention of fine lines and wrinkles. Place the globes in the freezer for 20 minutes prior to application and wash with antibacterial soap before and after each use. So I am so pumped. So here's the outer packaging and then you pull it. And you have the little facial globes. I'm so excited about this. Oh, that is probably my favorite product in the box. But I think we still have one more. Told you, they packed this box this month. And this is going to be our jewelry item. Let's see. This is from Lily Sky. This is $52. Avery 4-piece layering bracelet set. So I guess you open it like this. Is this how we open it? No, I'm opening it incorrectly. Ooh. Now this is pretty. So you've got these 2 right here that you would start with, and then you've got those. So pretty. I love it. I love the hammered disc. This is such a beautiful bracelet set. I'm really liking that. I think it is really, really pretty. So pretty. So this box was jam full of all kinds of amazing products and such a great variety. And again, all full size. But the cooling globes are definitely my favorite. What was your favorite product? Do you get single swag? Are you thinking of getting it? You want to treat yourself? Like I said, I'll put a link down below along with the 30% off promo code. So definitely take advantage of that because this box is awesome. And it is every month. So sometimes we get books, but you can always count on jewelry, a treat, and some form of skincare or beauty item. So, and the rest is always a surprise. So let me know what you thought of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.